My video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups by the site clcktrk.com. clcktrk.com is a truly deceptive website that attacks Google Chrome browser. The real purpose of this website, clcktrk.com, is to deceive you and to trick you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. The pop-ups claim that by installing the extensions you will be able to block some ads, but in reality such extensions instead show their own advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. In the light of this information, you should be very careful not to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't install anything that they actually suggest. In case any extensions were installed by mistake, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions which were mistakenly added to your browser. Finally, I also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help to identify and eliminate all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.